Are you looking for the best audiophile headphones? In this video we will look at some of the best audiophile headphones. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Sennheiser HD800S. The best audiophile headphones we've tested are the Sennheiser HD800S. These top-of-the-line headphones aren't for everyone. Their high price point puts them out of reach for most users, and you'll need a powerful amplifier to drive them, which can be an additional expense. However, if you're looking for an immersive experience regardless of cost, these open-back over-ears have an outstanding soundstage that's large, natural, and spacious. As a result, audio feels like it's coming from out in front of you rather than inside your head. Their dynamic transducers aren't as prone to stereo imaging issues as planar magnetic headphones. The trade-off is that they lack more low bass. Although they lack a bit of punch and rumble to their sound, these comfortable over-ears have a touch of extra high bass to add warmth to mixes. Vocals and lead instruments are reproduced accurately thanks to their flat and balanced mids. If you're looking for high-end audiophile headphones with more bass, check out the HiFiMan Aria. They're planar magnetic headphones that deliver more thump and punch to mixes but are brighter than the Sennheiser. Sibilants sound a bit piercing, though, which isn't ideal for everyone. Number 2. HiFiMan Edition XS. The HiFiMan Edition XS are the best mid-range audiophile headphones we've tested. These over-ears are easier on the wallet than the Sennheiser HD800S and have planar magnetic transducers to help boost their bass and create an immersive sound. While they aren't as comfortable or well-built, they have a neutral sound profile with a flat mid-range, so vocals and lead instruments sound present and clear. They also lack a bit of low bass but have a bump of high bass that adds warmth to mixes to balance their sound. Their passive soundstage is outstanding. It feels wide and spacious, as if your audio is coming from outside your head in the room. These over-ears have a comfortable fit and, unlike other HiFiMan headphones, have a more conventional headband design. However, they still have a large fit. As a result, they aren't as comfortable as our top pick, especially if you have a small head. They're also well built, but their plasticky hinges make them feel cheap. If you want something lighter, it's worth checking out the Sennheiser HD490 Pro, which uses dynamic drivers instead of planar magnetic drivers and shaves off heft. They're comfortable and versatile, thanks to their swappable ear pad design, which lets you choose between two different types of ear pads that alter the sound profiles. While they have an open and spacious soundstage, it's not quite as immersive as the HiFiMan. Number 3. HiFiMan Sundara 2025. If you're looking for something with a more mid-range price, consider the HiFiMan Sundara 2025. Like the HiFiMan Edition XS, they're planar magnetic headphones but have a different design, which some users may prefer. Their ski-band headband helps distribute the headphone's weight across your head, and they have a circular ear cup design. They also have a higher clamping force, so they fit more snugly. Their passive soundstage doesn't feel as out of head either, though it's still very open and spacious. These over-ears have balanced and neutral mids, ensuring natural, present, and clear vocals and instruments. Sibilants like cymbals are present without becoming overly bright or piercing. While they don't reproduce as much thump and punch as the Edition XS, their touch of extra high bass helps add warmth to your mix. Utilizing a new, high-tech diaphragm means that the diaphragm is 80% thinner than was on the previous series. This results in more detail, faster transients, and an extended frequency response. Number 4. Philips Fidelio X2HR. The Philips Fidelio X2HR are the best lower mid-range headphones for audiophiles we've tested. These openbacks have a very good passive soundstage that makes music feel as though it's coming from speakers in front of you rather than inside your head. It's not as immersive as the more expensive HiFiMan Sundara 2020, which is to be expected. But the Philips are just as comfortable to wear for long listening sessions. The Philips sound profile is very well balanced, so these can suit a variety of audio content and musical genres. Fans of classical and pop alike will appreciate their flat mid-range and great treble response. But they do lack a little low bass, which is typical of openbacks. Closed-back headphones tend to do a better job reproducing bass, so if you're a techno fan looking for more rumble and boom, the Beyerdynamic DT770 Pro are a good alternative. The Beyerdynamics closed-back design also means they leak less audio, so they're a bit more versatile. They're a good choice for studio recording, for instance. Of course, their passive soundstage isn't as immersive as the Philips, and their overall response is slightly uneven, with some big peaks in the treble range rendering cymbal sounds piercing. Hi-Res audio certified with extended response frequencies. Engineered double-layered earshells with pre-tilted speaker plates. Number 5. Philips SHP 9500. If you're looking for even more affordable headphones, the Philips SHP 9500 are the best budget audiophile headphones we've tested. Their open-back design ensures a wide and natural soundstage that makes audio feel as though it's coming from two speakers in a room. They're comfortable to wear for long listening sessions and have a decent build quality, though it's not as good as more expensive options like the Philips Fidelio X2HR. They have a generally neutral sound that suits most genres of music. In particular, their mid-range is outstanding, so vocals are rendered naturally and without any honk. Their excellent treble response also provides plenty of detail without any piercing peaks. The main downside of these cans is their slightly lackluster bass response. These are not the best headphones for audiophiles who love their hip-hop kick drums, which have plenty of thumpy low bass. If that's you, the Superlux HD 681 are worth considering. The Superlux have a balanced sound that suits most genres, but they're an especially good pick for fans of modern bass-heavy genres like EDM. Unfortunately, they have poor, plasticky build quality and are not as comfortable as the Philips.